Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to create a website for beginners. WordPress powers over 43% of all websites on the internet, making it incredibly popular. It offers two main options: WordPress.com for a simpler, hosted experience, and WordPress.org for full control over your site. We will focus on the self-hosted WordPress.org, which provides maximum flexibility for your online presence, whether it's a blog, business site, or online shop. To begin, you'll need web hosting and a domain name. Hosting is where your website files live, and a domain is your site's address, like yourwebsite.com. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation, making setup incredibly easy. Look for providers with good uptime and customer support. Expect to pay around $5 to $15 monthly for hosting and $10 to $20 annually for your domain. This foundational step is crucial for your site's online presence. Now, let's make your site look great and add functionality. Themes control your website's design. There are thousands of free options and premium ones costing $30 to $100. Plugins add features, from contact forms to e-commerce capabilities, with over 60,000 available. You'll then create your content: pages for static information and posts for blog articles. This is where your website truly comes to life with your unique message and visuals. Before launching, meticulously review everything. Check all links, images, and text for errors. Once you're confident, it's time to go live. After launch, focus on growth. Implement basic search engine optimization to help people find your site. Crucially, keep WordPress, your themes, and plugins updated. This ensures security, prevents issues, and gives you access to the latest features, keeping your website running smoothly and securely for the long term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.